हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज निहाल एंड इस वीडियो में हम 2019 के यूपीएससी मैथ्स ऑप्शनल के पेपर 2 का 2A क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे which belongs to group theory. It says that if G and H are two finite groups whose orders are relatively prime, it means order of G and order of H का GCD is equal to 1. Relatively prime means its GCD is equal to 1. Prove that there is only one homomorphism from G to H, that is a trivial one. Trivial homomorphism means phi is a homomorphism from G to H and phi G is equal to identity for all G belongs to capital G. This means it is a trivial homomorphism, or we can say that phi of G is equal to singleton set identity. That means its range set is identity only, which is a trivial homomorphism. We need to prove that there is only one homomorphism, that is trivial homomorphism or homomorphism. There does not exist any other homomorphism which can be non-trivial homomorphism. So we will use this information. And second result, that first fundamental theorem of group theory, a very important theorem used in many questions, many PYQs. It says that if phi is a homomorphism from G to G days, then Z mod kernel of phi is isomorphic to phi of G. That is, range set is isomorphic to G mod kernel of phi, if phi is a homomorphism. Then this is first fundamental theorem. We will also use this theorem. So let us assume that if there exists a phi from G to H, then what would be the possibilities for phi z, since phi z is a range set and it is a subgroup of the codomain, that is H. That means order of phi z divides order of H by Lagrange's theorem, which says that order of subgroup divide the order of group. Here phi z is the subgroup of H. This also we can prove that range set of a homomorphism divide the is a subgroup of G easily by definition, that if A belongs to A and B belong to phi Z, then A B inverse also belong to phi of G. From this we can prove that this phi G is a subgroup of H, and order of subgroup is divide the order of the group by Lagrange's theorem. And one more thing, now we will use, let us assume that this is B, order of phi Z is equal to B. Let us, for the moment, let us assume that this is B. Now we will use first fundamental theorem of group theory, which says that G mod kernel of phi is isomorphic to phi Z. That implies order of G divided by order of kernel of phi is equal to order of phi Z, which is equal to B. That implies order of G is equal to kernel of phi into B. This means that B divides order of Z. If B divides order of Z and B divides, this is B divides order of H, that means B is a common divider of order of G and B divides order of H. B is a common divider. But we know that order of G and order of H are relatively prime. That means order of G and order of H का GCD is equal to 1. That means greatest common divisor of both of these is 1. That means B will be equal to 1. B is 1. This means that order of phi Z is equal to 1. If phi Z ऑर्डर 1 है इसका मतलब phi z is equal to identity only, a singleton set. That means phi from G to H is defined as phi z is equal to identity for all G belongs to capital G, which is a trivial homomorphism. Thank you guys. That's it. This was an easy question, and this kind of question was asked in 2023 also. Similar question was there. So in these questions, the concept of kernel, the concept of first fundamental theorem of group theory are important, and we can solve these questions. Thank you guys. You can join Telegram group to ask your doubts. Thank you.